The all-new 2027 Mazda CX-100 arrives as the flagship of Mazda's ever-evolving SUV lineup, delivering a masterful blend of bold design, advanced technology, refined performance, and unmatched luxury that redefines what a premium three-row family hauler can be. From the moment you first see it, the CX-100 commands attention with its dramatic Kodo, soul of motion design language taken to new heights. The striking deep crimson paint in this coastal setting reflects light beautifully, highlighting the sculpted lines, powerful stance, and elegant proportions that make the CX-100 instantly recognizable as something truly special in the crowded luxury SUV segment. At the front, the massive signature grille features an intricate mesh pattern framed by sleek chrome accents, giving the vehicle a confident and premium presence. Slim, aggressive LED headlights stretch outward with adaptive high-beam technology that automatically adjusts to road conditions for optimal visibility and safety. The hood flows smoothly into a panoramic windshield, while the sleek roofline slopes gently toward the rear, creating a coupe-like silhouette that belies its spacious three-row interior. Massive 22-inch black alloy wheels with intricate multi-spoke designs fill the wheel arches perfectly, wrapped in high-performance tires that enhance both handling and ride comfort. The overall length exceeds 5 meters, yet the CX-100 maintains graceful proportions thanks to Mazda's precise engineering. Step inside, and the cabin immediately impresses with its upscale materials and thoughtful craftsmanship. Soft Nappa leather covers the seats, door panels, and dashboard, complemented by genuine wood trim and brushed aluminum accents that create a warm yet modern atmosphere. The 3 rows of seating comfortably accommodate 7 adults, with generous legroom and headroom even in the 3rd row, making long family trips truly enjoyable. The 2nd row offers captain's chairs with power adjustment, heating, ventilation, and massage functions, while the 3rd row folds flat with a simple one-touch mechanism to expand cargo space from 450 liters to over 2,000 liters when needed. The driver is greeted by a digital cockpit that feels both intuitive and futuristic. A large 14.5-inch head-up display projects vital information directly onto the windshield, while the central 12.3-inch infotainment screen runs Mazda's latest iActiv-Sense system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Voice commands respond naturally. Climate control is fully automatic with 4-zone functionality, and a premium 18-speaker Bose audio system delivers concert-like sound quality. Ambient lighting with 64 color choices lets you personalize the mood, and the available fragrance diffuser adds another layer of sensory luxury. Under the hood, the CX-100 offers 2 sophisticated powertrain options. The standard setup is a 3.3-liter turbocharged inline-6 engine producing 340 horsepower and 369 pound-foot of torque, mated to a smooth 8-speed automatic transmission and standard all-wheel drive. For those seeking even more performance, the optional plug-in hybrid variant combines a 2.5-liter turbo 4-cylinder with an electric motor for a combined 400 horsepower and an electric-only range of up to 50 kilometers, perfect for zero-emission city commuting. Both versions deliver effortless acceleration with 0-1-0 kilometers hot times under 6 seconds, while maintaining impressive fuel efficiency thanks to Mazda's SkyActiv technology and mild hybrid assistance. Driving dynamics are where the CX-100 truly shines. Mazda's signature Jinba Itai philosophy creates a deep connection between driver and machine. The chassis is exceptionally rigid, utilizing ultra-high-strength steel and aluminum components to reduce weight while improving torsional stiffness. Advanced suspension with adaptive dampers continuously adjust to road surfaces, delivering a plush ride on highways and confident handling on winding coastal roads like the one pictured here. The all-wheel drive system can send up to 50% of power to the rear wheels when needed, enhancing traction and stability in various conditions, from wet beachside roads to light off-road trails. Safety remains a top priority with Mazda's comprehensive iActiv-Sense suite. This includes 360-degree cameras, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality, and automatic emergency braking with pedestrian and cyclist detection. New for 2026 is the driver monitoring system that uses infrared cameras to detect fatigue or distraction and gently intervenes when necessary. Structural reinforcements and multiple airbags provide excellent crash protection, earning top ratings from global safety organizations. Practicality meets luxury in every detail. Power tailgate with hands-free operation opens to reveal a versatile cargo area with power outlets, tie-down points, and underfloor storage. Roof rails support up to 100 kilograms for bikes, kayaks, or roof boxes, while towing capacity reaches 3,500 kilograms when properly equipped, making the CX-100 ideal for weekend adventures with boats or trailers. Interior storage is abundant, with large door pockets, a deep center console, and clever compartments throughout. The 2026-2027 Mazda CX-100 positions itself as a serious contender against established luxury rivals like the Mercedes GLS, BMW X7, and Range Rover, yet it does so with a distinctly Japanese sense of refinement and value. Pricing start systems competitively while offering standard equipment levels that many competitors charge extra for, including leather seats, advanced driver aids, and premium audio. Available trims range from the well-equipped Preferred to the top-tier Signature, which adds features like ventilated third-row seats, a digital rear-view mirror, and exclusive interior color schemes. On the scenic coastal drive shown in the imagery, the CX-100 feels perfectly at home. Its quiet cabin isolates road and wind noise effectively, allowing effortless conversation or immersive music enjoyment. The elevated driving position provides excellent visibility over the hood and surrounding traffic, while the responsive steering and balanced chassis make every curve along the ocean front a pleasure. Whether cruising to a beach resort, heading out for a family vacation, or simply enjoying a Sunday drive, the CX-100 elevates the experience with its combination of style, comfort, capability, and driving joy. Mazda has clearly poured its heart and soul into the CX-100, creating not just another large SUV, but a vehicle that embodies the brand's commitment to human-centric design and emotional connection. With its striking looks, spacious yet sophisticated interior, powerful yet efficient powertrains, and engaging driving dynamics, the 2026-2027 Mazda CX-100 sets a new benchmark in the premium large SUV category. It proves that practicality and luxury can coexist beautifully, and that Mazda continues to push boundaries in ways that excite both the head and the heart. For families who refuse to compromise on style, performance, or refinement, the CX-100 emerges as a compelling choice that stands tall among its peers.